This is why I love this place so much. Kids playing, families talking, meeting new people. Of course, the surroundings. This is like what I imagine when I'm thinking about community. Like people coming to one place and playing and sharing, and yeah, this is a really special place. So just wanted to share a little bit about what the sunset looks like. Right now we're in our rainy season, so probably most of these people are locals, either Costa Ricans or other expats who live here. I'm sure there's some tourists sprinkled in there as well, but right now isn't the most popular time to be here, but there's definitely still tourists here. And there's dogs running around freely, and it's just, yeah, it's pretty magical. It's the whale's tail down there, but you can't see it. You can Google it.